Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you have a Ninja SmartLid, you need to try this amazing kebab rack. It keeps each kebab separate, which means they cook evenly. I've used a seasoning kit from Simply Cook to make my kebabs, but the great thing is you can use any seasoning or marinade you fancy. A full list of ingredients is in the description, as well as a link to buy your own kebab rack from Amazon. So ingredients, I've got some chicken chunks here. I just bought some breasts and cut them up, 2 peppers and an onion. And then I've also got some Greek style yogurt, lemon and mint to make my dressing, some cucumber to serve and some red onion to serve. And then this is my Simply Cook seasoning kit. You could use any marinade with this. And then I've got some kebab breads to wrap it all up in. So first of all, the kebab rack. Let me show you what I got. So this just came from Amazon. It's a really reasonable price and it comes ready to go in your Ninja SmartLid. So you have this bottom part of the rack, and then you have a little bit that screws into the middle so you can pull it in and out of your machine. And then really simply these kebab spikes that just pop into the little holes, so you put your meat on and then they pop in. So there's the bit in the middle, screws in, and there you have it, a perfect kebab wrap to go into your Ninja SmartLid. So let's get on to the method. So all I've done is I've grabbed my peppers and I just want to cut them into nice big chunks to fit onto those kebab skewers. Did the same with the red onion, nice chunky pieces. I've already got my chicken chunked. So I'm just going to marinade now, pop that chicken into a big bowl. And like I said, I've used the seasoning kit. This was actually for a kofta, but you could use any marinade or seasoning that you wanted. And if you could leave it in the fridge for a little bit of time, even better. So all I've done is made sure that that lovely seasoning is covering my chicken chunks. And then I've got my red onion, which I'm just going to separate to make sure I've got nice big chunky pieces to go on my skewers. My red pepper and my orange pepper there. So here's the rack. Like I said, it just has these lovely little bits that pop in and out. It's so easy to do. So grab your skewer, just pop your chicken on, pop some veggie on, and it's that simple. And the thing I really love about this is how it cooks. So when you normally cook a kebab, say in an oven or even in an air fryer, you have to keep turning it, you have to check it's cooked on all sides. But this means that the air in your machine, because you're using air fry mode, circulates all around the kebab and makes it cook really evenly. So here we go, grabbed my rack, I've got all my little kebabs. So you just pop them in, it's that simple, they go into that little hole. So I'm going to pop this into my SmartLid first, just makes it a bit easier. And then pop all those lovely marinated kebabs in there. And then all I'm going to do is air fry for this one. So I just air fry for 20 minutes, so 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. And it's that simple. It cooks brilliantly. The air circulates, like I said, fantastically. So while that's cooking, I'm just going to make a little dressing for my kebab. So I've got, like I said, this kit, and it came with a nice little sort of mint marinade there, but you can just make your own using Greek yogurt, bit of lemon, bit of mint. So there we go. I'm just going to chop some of that lovely mint in, squeeze of fresh lemon juice, just catch those little pips there, give that a little stir, and I'm adding this little paste in there. To be honest, you could use anything here for your dressing. You could use mayonnaise, you could use chili sauce, whatever you like in your kebab. And then here I've got what's called pomegranate molasses, and this is just to put over the kebab at the end. So you could add a little bit more marinade, you could save some to one side just to dress it at the end. So there you have it, look at those beautiful kebabs, they've cooked perfectly, and you even get that lovely char grilled sort of barbecue effect on the edge of your veggies. So I just take them off using a little silicone holder there to get those kebab racks out, and then I'm just going to get a little bit of that pomegranate molasses. Like I said, you could save some marinade back here and just put that in at this point, just to make it a little bit more shiny and succulent. So I've just warmed my kebab bread, put a bit of finely sliced cucumber and red onion. You could do anything here, any salad, you could have lettuce, tomato, whatever you fancy. And there's my lovely dressing. Just going to dribble that over my meat and my little salad there. A bit of fresh mint, and there you have it, a beautiful kebab made using that amazing kebab rack. I think I'm going to be making these for a long time. The family seem to love them and they just taste delicious.